for us to experience what we experienced at the beginning of this year, during the change of money and all those things. Most of the banks, their ATM are not working. Some of them working, you can see how people are lining up here. It's only two ATM is working, and it's only one that is paying. The other ones are not paying. If you go inside the bank, it's the same thing. You stand there for hours before you can access a little money. So we don't know whether the problem, the scarcity, is from the bank or from the CPN.
Let me say, since the last 2 weeks, I've been trying to withdraw money. It has been a difficulty. I don't know what is going on.
So the CBN should help us. If the money is okay there, nobody will be trying. We will not have such queue. You can come at your convenient time and pick your money. But because the money is not here, you see people having queue. Go all of the banks around here. You see people having queue just to get their money back. It's unfair. So the CBN should help Nigerians so that trust we have in them will be up and high. Because all these things are making people to lose that trust they have in CBN.
It's a horrible experience standing here for over 3 hours plus. It has been a hectic journey. People quarreling, almost fighting here because of the cashless we experience in this country. Yeah, they should leave the old naira for us. We are comfortable with it because the government is saying that the old naira is still available, and still yet we are not seeing it.
You enter inside the bank now, you will notice that other services are being rendered, but withdrawal of cash is a major problem. Even traders are afraid of depositing their money in the banks now.